Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at one of our new under-counter freezers. This is going to be under-counter freezer, our company brand Cooler Depot. Okay, as you can see in the front, all stainless steel unit. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this under-counter freezer. Okay, so for your length, you're looking at 27 inches for your length. Front to back, you're looking at 29.5 inches, 29.5. And the overall height, from the bottom of the wheels to the very top, you're looking at 35.5 inches for this under-counter freezer. Okay, so those are your overall exterior measurements. Now I want to go back to the front, show you the inside. I'm going to open up this door, automatic closing door. Okay, as you can see, we open this up, show you the inside. It has a shelf on the inside provided. Also, we'll be provided with all the instructions, manual booklet. On the inside, you will also locate a spec circuit diagram for this unit. Okay, so all specs and the circuit diagram are located on the inside, as well as your certification. Okay, this unit is certified by the health department. I want to go ahead and measure the inside for you. Front to back, you're looking at 19 inches. Left to right, 22.5. Overall height, you're looking at about 23.5 inches in the overall height. Okay, 23.5. Also, you have the adjusters over here, so if you want to go ahead and adjust this shelf, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, now you follow me over to the back, we'll show you the back where you can locate the plug for this freezer. Standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. That's going to be on the back. Also on the back, we have our control for the temperature. Okay, so your temperature will display on the back of this unit, and you can also set it on there as well. Okay, so this is a one-door, 27-inch under-counter freezer, all stainless steel. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update all the information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.